Hello and welcome back to Mr. Nifty Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily force a restart on a Google Pixel 7, 8, and Pro mobile phone. You'll probably only ever have to do this if your phone has froze, has become unresponsive, or doesn't pop up with the restart options when pressing down both the volume up button and power button at the same time. To force a restart is very simple. It's the same two-key combination that needs to be pressed, but instead of letting go, you hold the buttons down until the screen goes black. So, as you can see, I'm pressing the volume up button and power button down at the same time, and all you have to do is just keep holding and wait for a few moments. A few seconds later, you should see the screen will turn black, and at this point, you let go of the buttons. What happens now is the phone is rebooting, and you just wait for the phone to go through the reboot routine. It will take approximately 10 seconds before you should eventually see the Google logo appear. As you can see here, the Google logo has now appeared, the phone has now been forced to reboot, and should now perform as normal. Please remember to always keep your phone updated with regular software updates and also restart your phone at least once a week. Doing so will keep your phone secure and prevent future crashes. Thanks as always for viewing this video today. If you found any part of this video useful, please hit the like button and also please consider subscribing to Mr. Nifty Reviews. It would be very much appreciated. Take care, and I'll see you all in the next video.